Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, once said that on the day of judgment there will be some people who will have to go to Jahannam because of their bad deeds. However, among all of these people, there will be some who had the habit of saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim before they did anything or entered anywhere. So when they will be taken to Jahannam by the angels, they will be very sad. But by the way of habit, they will again say at this point, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As soon as Allah will hear this Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Allah will tell the angels to stop and do not take them to the hell. Allah will tell the angels that He cannot let anyone to hell who says Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, because I am Rahman and Rahim, the most beneficent and the most merciful.